How to unsubscribe from Twitter emails. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel. And in today's video, I will be teaching you how to unsubscribe from Twitter emails. So let's begin. The very first step is to make sure first that your Twitter app is up to date. So to do that, you just simply go to your App Store or your Google Play Store, search for Twitter, and then make sure to click on the update button if it is available. Once you have done updating your Twitter app, you may now open it. And then once you're in Twitter, click on your profile found on the upper left corner of the screen, or you may swipe right like this one. And then scroll down a little bit until you can see Settings and Privacy. So click on Settings and Privacy and scroll down once again and look for Notifications. So click on Notifications and then click on Preferences right here. Click on Email Notifications and then wait for it to load. So as you can see right here, there are a lot of buttons or toggle buttons found on this page. So if you want to remove or to stop receiving email notifications, then you just simply turn this one off. So click on the email notifications um, bar or toggle, and then you should make sure that this toggle button will turn into gray and not green. So that's it. That's how you can unsubscribe from Twitter emails.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.